Screen is shared, right? Okay, now Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Okay, my name is Syed Fahad Ali, and I've been teaching O and A levels since last 13-14 years. This is my 14th batch of teaching A levels and O levels physics. Currently, I'm associated with multiple institutions of Karachi, which are very reputed, such as Wales College, Scepter College, City School, Beacon House North, and Eton and Scepter. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. By the way, let's start with the syllabus. You are in AS Physics, right? This is your AS Physics class. The syllabus code is 9702. There are 3 papers which you will be appearing in. Paper 1 is MCQ. There are 40 questions, 40 marks, and the time is 1 hour 15 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. 15 minutes are more than your O levels paper 1 time. So you are getting more time for your paper 1. Then you have your paper 2, that's theory. There are around 7 to 8 questions, and all of them are compulsory. There is no choice. The marks are 60, and the time is 1 hour 15 minutes. So unlike paper 2 of O levels, here you have a shorter period of time and less time for less marks, like for the less time and less complexity, but the time the marks are same. Then you have your paper 3, which practical paper. Aiza and Fatma, are you getting this? These are 2 questions for marks, and you will be having 2 hours of pure practical time. Is this clear, girls? Up till
Yes. Yes.
girls, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The grade threshold of your percentage of weightages, this paper 1 is 31% of your grade. Then you have your paper 2, this is 46% of your grade. Then you have your paper 3, which is 23% of your grade. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's start. Chapter number 1. And the chapter 1 is measurement and units. Now, if we talk about what is a physical quantity, can any one of you tell me what is a physical quantity? Aiza and Fatma? Any measurable quantity it can be tangible, it can be intangible, is referred as physical quantity. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, there are 4 types of physical quantities: scalar, vector. Fatma, are you getting this? Phasor,
Yes, sir.
tensor. So phasor and tensor are not there in your syllabus. We won't be studying them. And you have studied scalar and vector in your O levels. Done? Now, before we move on to the definition of scalars and vectors, I have a question. Aiza and Fatma, what is unit? A unit is basically a quantity which is used to express the physical quantity. Means, have you ever been to grocery, Aiza and Fatma?
Yes.
No. If I ask you, you have to purchase 1 kilogram of sugar from a store, but you cannot mention the word kilogram. So does this make any sense? What's being shown on your screen? Does this make any sense to you? No, na? Because the word unit, the unit makes sense. The word unit is expressive, it expresses the physical quantity. So there are two types of units. One of them is known as basic unit, and the other one is known as derived unit. Is this clear? If there is any query, please do let me know. Please do let me know. Ask the questions right away. Don't wait. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, first set units of quantities which were fixed in 1960. They are known as basic quantities. The quantities are number one, mass, means kilogram. The symbol of kilogram is capital K, small g. Is this clear?
Yes.
The second quantity is length, meter, small m. Number three, time, seconds, small s. Number four, current, ampere, capital A. Number five, temperature, Kelvin, capital K. Number six, amount of substance. Girls, is this clear?
Yes.
Mole, light intensity. Candela, CD. Can you girls copy it down, please?
Okay, sir.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we talk about derived units, so for them we can say they are extracted unit or manipulated units or derived units or calculated ones, whatever you want to call them. There are multiple quantities in which two or more than two basic units are involved. For example, speed. And what's the formula of speed, Isa? Distance over time. So distance is meters, Fatma. Time is seconds. This is plus one over here, right? Girls, this is plus one. So if I move this second over here, it will become ms minus 1. Is this clear?
Okay, sir.
Girls, if I talk on velocity, the formula is displacement over time. Again, meters per second will become ms minus 1. Is this clear, girls?
Sir.
Now, the next acceleration. A is equals to V minus U over T. Meter per second minus meter per second over second. Is this clear? गर्ल्स बताएं क्लियर है? Okay. अब now if I say कि बेटा एक velocity, you both can understand Urdu, right? Girls? Can you understand Urdu language?
Yes, we can.
ओके अब एक वेलोसिटी में से बेटा दूसरी वेलोसिटी माइनस करोगे तो आपके पास सेकंड जो है एक वेलोसिटी में से दूसरी वेलोसिटी माइनस करो तो आंसर वेलोसिटी ही आएगा ना बेटा। एक वेलोसिटी में से दूसरी वेलोसिटी माइनस होगी तो आंसर विल बी अ वेलोसिटी थिंग। तो आपके पास आंसर क्या आएगा? मीटर पर सेकंड और इसको क्या होगा 1/सेकंड। अब from the basics we know that if two bases are same they'll add it. तो meter per second square or ms minus 2. Is this clear, Aiza and Fatma?
Yes.
आप दोनों कॉलेज से हैं या प्राइवेट हैं?
College से.
कौन सा कॉलेज बेटा?
City school.
ओह ग्रेट, फोर सिटी स्कूल। आप दोनों क्लासमेट्स हैं?
नहीं.
ओके, फोर्स F is equals to mass times acceleration. अब एक चीज और नोट करें दोनों। आयजा व्हाट अबाउट यू? मुझे नहीं पता, आयजा ने जवाब दिया, फातिमा ने जवाब दिया। द अदर गर्ल, आप प्राइवेट है रेगुलर है?
सर उसने लीव कर दिया.
मैं?
फातिमा ने लीव कर
अच्छा, आप ही हैं, ठीक है। मेरे पास फोर्स जो है वो एक दो यूनिट्स होते हैं बेटा। एक होता है स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट जो आपने पढ़ा है बेटा न्यूटन, और एक है आपके पास बेसिक यूनिट, वो आपने निकालना है। तो अब आपके पास मास का यूनिट क्या होगा? किलोग्राम। एक्सेलरेशन का क्या होगा? ms minus 2. Is this clear?
Yes.
Instead of Newton, what we can say, 1 Newton is also equals to kilogram ms minus 2. Clear? Okay. Next quantity, आप सिटी स्कूल के कौन से चैप्टर में उसमें
हम डायनेमिक्स पर हैं।
नहीं, आप कौन से कैंपस में?
शालीमार कैंपस।
कौन सा?
शालीमार।
लाहौर. Okay. Okay, now listen. Okay, listen. For an object falling freely, where there is no air resistance, acceleration is equals to the gravity of that object. तो आपके पास क्या होगा? Acceleration and gravity are equal when there is no air resistance. So acceleration and gravity will share the same unit. So the unit of force is same as unit of weight. Is this clear?
Yes.
Done? Girls, done? Isa, done?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if we talk about other quantities, let's say work done is force into distance. Isa, क्या आप इसका try कर सकती हैं? I'll be just back in a minute. Work done आप try कर सकती हैं?
ठीक है।
Hello, Musaf. Can you hear me? Now, if we talk about the basic unit of work done, we know the standard unit of work done is joules, right? But what we are doing over here, we have to translate, we have to find the value or the unit of quantity in terms of 7 quantities which were labeled as basic quantities. Musaf, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Aiza, force is kg ms minus 2 and distance is meter. So from maths, when the bases are similar, m is minus 2. Can you understand Urdu? Done?
Yes.
Musa? So the unit is kg m square s minus 2. In terms of standard unit, what we know is joules. In terms of basic units, this is kg m square s minus 2. Musa, are you clear on this? So, Aiza, Are you clear on this, so that we can move ahead?
Yes, sir.
The
I'm
seventh
clear.
quantity is turning effect, moment. From O levels, you call this thing moment. You used to call this moment. So the formula of moment is tau, yeah, m is equals to f into d. So one more thing which you have to remember, Aiza and Musaf, that there are multiple physical quantities which share the same formula, due to which they have the same basic unit. I repeat, there are multiple physical quantities which share the basic formula. They have the same units. For example, turning effect, work done, and energy all are same. So they have the same formula, due to which they will have the same unit. Is this
Sir,
clear?
इनको derived physical quantities कहते हैं.
Yes,
Is it?
drive physical.
Okay.
Yes, we are doing drive one because this is basic. These seven are basic, and now we are moving on. We are doing drive.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if we talk about turning effect, so force ISA is given by kgms minus 2, Musaf, and distance is meters. So again, like I said, basis same power add. This will become kg m square s minus 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, the next thing which we have to remember, or the next formula which we have to solve, is basically pressure. Pressure is given by force. Yeah. Can Musaf, you and Isa, can you both solve this question for basic unit of pressure? We know the standard unit is Pascal, but we are not looking for the standard unit. What we are looking for is basically the basic unit. Force is kg ms minus 2. Area is length into width. Musaf, am I right? Kg ms minus
Yes,
2
sir.
over meter square. So meter square से एक m cancel. So this becomes kg s minus 2 over m. ऐसे ही है ना Aiza? So this m will be moving upwards. It will be like this, kg m minus 1 s minus 2. Is this clear?
Yes.
जी, sir. Clear.
Aiza?
G.
Done? Physical quantities which have different formula. Means a pressure has a formula named force upon area. The same pressure can also be calculated for liquids by using raw GH, right? Where raw is the density, G is gravity, and this is depth. So if I talk about density, the density is termed as Musaf, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can.
Aiza? Okay. The density is given by kilogram per meter cube. ऐसे ही है ना? The gravity is meter per second square and the depth is meter. So if we simplify this, this will become kilogram meter square meter cube s square. So simplifying this will give me this thing. अब इस पूरे फैक्टर को जब आप ऊपर लेके जाएंगे तो this will become kg m minus 1 s minus 2. So the second thing which you need to remember, if you have multiple formulas of a same physical quantity, you will end up getting same units. Is this clear, Aiza and Musaf?
सर सॉरी एक दफा रिपीट कर दें.
इस तो नहीं जा रहे हैं, मैं रिपीट कर देता हूँ. If we talk about the formula, the density is given by kilogram per meter cube, gravity is meter per second square, depth is meter. So simplifying will give me meter into meter is meter square, m cube s square. Cancelling this, simplifying will give me this thing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now kgm minus 1 s minus 2, kgm minus 1 s minus 2. What does this mean? This means that for multiple formulas of same quantity, they will have same units. Done? Is this clear?
जी सर.
Aiza? Now, if we talk about the 10th quantity, that is charge. Charge is given by the equation Q is equals to I multiplied by T. अब now current भी एक basic quantity है, time भी एक basic quantity है. तो आपके पास क्या हुआ बेटा? That if you talk about basically, if you talk about the basic units, तो charge का जो standard unit है, that you have studied as coulomb. But in terms of 7 basic quantities, coulomb is equals to the ampere second. Is this clear?
जी सर.
Aiza? Aiza, are you here? Or have you left? Aiza hai. Okay, now the next quantity is work done per unit charge. You must have read this formula and learned this formula in your O levels. Now, the basic formula of voltage is work done per unit charge. There are certain questions that, so why aren't we using V is equals to IR? Yes, you can, you will. But if you are given work done and you have the charge, you can find out the base unit of this thing, voltage. Okay, now we know work done is given by the equation force into distance. So force is kg m square ms minus 2 Musaf, and distance is meter, and the charge is ampere second. So meter into meter becomes meter square. So this becomes kg m square s minus 2 over as. Now simplifying this, अब देखो बेटा ये +1 है, ये -2 है, कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता. So what you will do is you will completely move this as my +1 upwards. So what the formula which you will get in a simplified form is kg a minus 1 m square s minus 2 s minus 1. We do know कि if यहाँ +1 है ऊपर जाके ये -1 हो जाएगा. तो आपके पास अब ये जब सिंप्लीफाई हुआ बेटा तो this becomes what kg a minus 1 m square s minus 3. मुझे बताइएगा आयजा एंड मुसफ दोनों क्या ये बात क्लियर है?
जी
जी सर.
मुसफ
जी सर
तेज तो
क्लियर.
नहीं जा रहे हैं? प्लीज डू लेट मी नो इफ यू आर मूविंग वे टू हेड.
नो नो सर इट्स क्लियर. सर ये पहली क्लास है राइट?
यस दिस इज द ओरिएंटेशन क्लास. अब मैं ओरिएंटेशन देता नहीं हूँ, मैं आगे पढ़ा देता हूँ.
ओके.
अपना थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूंगा. ओके पाकिस्तान या पाकिस्तान के बाहर से हैं आप?
नो सर आई एम इन लाहौर.
लाहौर. फ्रॉम विच कॉलेज? रेगुलर है प्राइवेट है?
नहीं सर मैं रेगुलर हूँ. आई एम स्टडीइंग इन लाहौर ग्रामर स्कूल.
लाहौर ग्रामर जबरदस्त. ओके अब रेजिस्टेंस हैज अ फॉर्मूला वोल्टेज अपॉन करंट. ओके वोल्टेज का आपने क्या निकाला बेटा? वोल्टेज ये रहा. And we know that current is a basic quantity which has a unit of ampere. Putting these two together will work like this. kg a minus 1 m square s minus 3 over a. अब again this is plus 1 ऊपर minus 1 दोनों cancel नहीं होंगे. So what you will do is you will move this upward. This will become kg a minus 1 a minus 1 m square s minus 3. So this will be kg a minus 2 m square s minus 3. Is this clear? This is the unit of resistance. What we used to say ohms is the standard unit, but in terms of basic unit, this is the unit which you will get.
Yes sir it's clear.
Done? Aiza?
yes
Now there are more quantities which you will study in a while. Now the next quantity is that's stress. Stress is a quantity which you will study in your later part of course. Stress means force upon area. But I want from all two of you, Musaf and Aiza, just work on the base unit of stress. Can you do this please? मैं बस 1 मिनट पानी पी के आ जाऊँ. I'm stopping the recording as well. लोग ट्राई कर सकते हैं ये?
Yes sir.
According Aiza, what about you? kg ms minus 2 over meter square. एक m से एक m कैंसिल हुआ बेटा, ऊपर गया kg m minus 1 s minus 2. Aiza, are you getting the same answer?
yes
Okay, now and let's move ahead. Let's talk about another topic, another section of base unit. This is known as equations. तेज तो नहीं जा रहे हैं बेटा? डू लेट मी नो कि हम थोड़ा सा तेज हो रहे हैं. जहां तेज हो वहां रोक दीजिएगा. You will get the recordings as well, Musab. ये रिकॉर्ड भी हो रहे हैं, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग्स भी मिल जाएंगी, पीडीएफ फाइल्स भी मिल जाएंगी. ठीक है?
Okay sir.
Equations जब आप सॉल्व कर रही हो, so there are two rules which you have to remember. The rules are, इसको कम कर लूं. Rule number one is you have to ignore a number means constants. Number two, you have to ignore means any given constant. What does this mean? Let's do a question from past paper. The question says f is equals to 6 pi eta rv. This is the question, Aiza. You with me, right? Musaf,
जी sir.
जी
this is the question. Now, what I want from you guys is I need to calculate this eta's base unit. So now first I have to tell you guys what is f. F is the force, r is radius, v is velocity. Clear? So rewriting the equation, f is equals to 6 pi eta rv. Now we know 6 is a number, we have to cancel it. Pi is a constant, we have to cancel it. Now the equation becomes f is equals to eta rv, where eta is our subject. We won't cancel this question. The examiner said you need to find out the base unit of eta. Is this clear?
Yes sir.
So making eta subject, eta is equals to f upon r into v. Aiza, clear?
जी
F is kg ms minus 2. Radius is meter. Speed is ms minus 1. So m into m becomes m square, right, Musaf?
जी sir बिल्कुल.
ms minus 2 over m square s minus 1. Simplifying this will give you kg s minus 2 ms minus 1. ऊपर लेके जाएं इसको. This will become kg s minus 2 m minus 1 s plus 1. Now simplifying will give me kg m minus 1 s minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. आयजा ये बात समझ आइए बेटा?
जी आ गई है
Musaf,
जी sir clear है.
so let's move on to the next question of the past papers. T is equals to 2 pi under root m upon k, and I want to find out the unit of k. T is time period. M is the mass. K का यूनिट निकालना है. क्या निकाल सकते हैं आप लोग खुद से?
जी sir निकाल.
आयजा, आयजा आपका आंसर क्या आ रहा है बेटा? What we will do is T is equals to 2 pi under root m upon k. उसके बाद बेटा 2 और pi cancel. अब under root है ना आयजा, तो we have to remove the under root. अब वो कैसे होगा? वो इस तरह होगा बेटा, squaring both sides. T square is equals to m upon k. Up, in order to find the value of k, this becomes t square into k is equals to m. K is equals to m over t square. M becomes kilogram, s square. So ये बन गया kg s minus 2. मुसब चेक करें आपकी वर्किंग कहाँ पे गलत हो रही है.
सर हम टाइम पीरियड की वैल्यू s raised to the power -1 नहीं लेंगे?
No. Time period is s. Frequency is s minus 1.
Oh, okay. Sorry. मेरा बस यही गलत हुआ. Okay, I get
Okay,
it.
no problem, beta. You are here to learn. You are here to study. Though that's not an issue. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next question of your master purpose is C is equals to BT cube. Now let's understand what B. C, B, T. C is specific heat capacity. आपने O levels में पढ़ा है. B is the unit जिसका unit निकालना है. Quantity T is temperature. Clear? Done? Now first we need to find out the base unit of C. Aiza and Musaf, what is the formula of specific heat capacity? Q is equals to MC delta T. This is what you have read in O levels.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you need to find out the base unit of C. अब इसमें समझो कौन से Aiza, are you getting this?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is energy. Energy and work done are same. I repeat, whenever you are asked or whenever you are given energy, you can use the base unit of work done. Clear?
जी sir.
Eyes and Musaf. Now,
Yes, sir. It's clear.
work done had units of kg m square s minus 2. आयजा, अगर आपको इसमें प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं करवा दूं इसको.
नहीं, मुझे आ गया समझ.
Okay. M is kilogram. C is the quantity जिसका यूनिट निकालना है. And Kelvin. अब delta T is T2 minus T1. Kelvin minus Kelvin. So अगर आप एक क्वांटिटी में से वही क्वांटिटी माइनस कर रहे हैं तो क्वांटिटी जो सेम रहेगी ना, नंबर चेंज होगा, यूनिट तो वही रहेगा. Unit will be Kelvin. Is this clear? Aiza and Musaf.
Yes.
जी sir.
Now, if I have to make the C subject, तो किलोग्राम केल्विन डिनोमिनेटर में चले गए. kg m square s minus 2 over kilogram into Kelvin. किलोग्राम से किलोग्राम कैंसिल. अदर देन दैट कोई भी चीज रिडक्ट नहीं हो रही. So K minus 1 m square s minus 2. This is the base unit of specific heat capacity.
Okay, sir. It's clear.
Done? Now we will use this in finding the base unit of B. आयजा समझ आया कितना लंबा काम करना है?
जी, आ गया.
Now, अब C is equals to BT cube. C is K minus 1 m square s minus 2. B Kelvin की power 3. अब B को सब्जेक्ट बनाएं तो this will be B is equals to K minus 1 m square s minus 2 over K की power 3. कैंसिल नहीं हो सकता. will move upward. So k minus 3 dot k minus 1 m square s minus 2. This is b is equals to k minus 4 m square s minus 2. Is this clear?
जी सर.
Aiza?
जी.
Now, next, we are moving ahead. The next heading is homogeneous equation. This is the thing in which our target is कि हम ये देखते हैं कि left hand side base units becomes equals to the base unit of right hand side. Is this clear?
जी सर.
Aiza and Musaf. So now the
Yes.
first question is V is equals to U plus A into T. Now you both are college going students of Lahore, so you both must have studied kinematics.
जी सर पढ़ा हुआ है.
So this is the first equation, right? So अब हम इसमें quantities जब रखना शुरू करेंगे, so speed is meter per second. Speed is meter per second. Obviously, this is initial, this is final. Acceleration is meter per second square into time is second. Clear?
Yes sir.
Now, simplifying this, square say s cancel. You got meter per second is equals to meter per second plus meter per second. So this becomes 2 meter per second. Again, there is a rule which you have to remember for homogeneous as well. And the rule says ignore numbers and ignore constants. So 2 being a number will be cancelled. Your equation is correct. Aiza and Musaf, is this clear?
Yes sir, it's clear.
Okay, now next heading is यहां तक क्लियर है बेटा? मुसफ एंड आयजा?
जी सर क्लियर है.
Okay. Now, the next quantity which we will be studying is accuracy, precision, and what is error? Can you guys tell me?
Sir, error is like an incorrect calculation of raw or calculated data.
Yes. Now, error is a thing, Aiza and Musaf, which is simply mistake. The mistakes can be by me, I mean by the person who is performing the experiment, or by using incorrect apparatus. So, एक सेकंड रुकना बेटा. Again, I'm asking you, तेज तो नहीं जा रहे हैं? Please do let me know.
No, sir. It's clear.
Aiza, and my
Yes,
voice is clear, right?
yes.
Okay. Error, any mistake in performing the experiment basically I'm from Karachi, or in using the apparatus.
Sir, I'm also from Karachi, but I live in Lahore.
Oh, great. Great. There are two types of errors. Aiza, clear?
Ji.
One of them is known as systematic error. The other one is known as human error. Oh, sorry, random error. Let's discuss random error. The type of error which is due to the person means parallax error, concentration error. These two are the types of human error or random error. Clear? But
Ji, sir.
the examiner won't ask you about the definition. वो जो पूछता है वो क्या चीज है बेटा, एक सेकंड. वो है आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड रेमेडी. अब क्या आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या है? ये आपकी लाइन है, and one point on the line and all of them are scattered. So identification is scarce. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Musaf,
जी सर क्लियर है.
Aiza, and
Ji.
the remedy is best fit line. You must have studied this in your O levels, or averaging. Clear? Done?
जी सर.
Now, the next thing is Systematic error. The type of error which is due to the instrument. And not only instrument, there are other factors as well. And the identification is that your graph will not start from origin. And the remedy is there is a effect of best or a you must have one. आयजान मुसब यहाँ तक क्लियर है?
जी सर।
जी
आज की क्लास यहीं तक रखते हैं, फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास से जो आप एंड मुसफ